trying to use ChatGPT or any app and suddenly you're hit with this error network configuration issue? Wrong SSL certificates. You're not alone. And in today's quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step.
What does this error mean? This error usually means that your phone can't trust the internet connection or the certificate from the server. It could be a network problem, wrong date, time, or even a VPN causing conflict. But don't worry, we've got this. In this video, I'll show you 5 different methods to fix the network configuration issue. Wrong SSL certificate error on your phone. If one method doesn't work, don't worry, try the next one until the problem is solved. These steps are simple and effective, so watch till the end to find what works for you. Method 1. First method, check your phone's date and time. Let's begin with something simple but very important. Your phone's date and time settings. If your phone's clock is even slightly off, it can confuse SSL certificates and cause that network configuration error. Go to Settings, open Settings, and go to General Management, then select Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is turned on. This tells your phone to sync with your network's clock and avoid mismatches with app servers. If you're using a manual date or time zone, especially if it's incorrect or outdated, your phone might see secure certificates as invalid. That's why automatic syncing is crucial. Another method. Method 2, another method to switch to another network. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Or if you have access to another Wi-Fi connection, try connecting to that instead. Why? Sometimes your current internet network may have issues like expired or misconfigured SSL certificates on the network itself. DNS problems. Open Settings by going to General Management, select Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Third method, disable VPN. Third method. Next up, VPNs. Yes, they're great for privacy and unlocking content, but sometimes they interfere with secure connections. If you're using a VPN, especially a free one, it can cause SSL certificate mismatches that trigger this error. Go to your VPN app, if any, and turn it off, or go to Settings. After open Settings, select Connections, click More Connection Settings. Find and select a VPN, click here, and disconnect any active VPN profile. Some VPNs reroute your traffic through different countries, and if the app server doesn't trust that connection, you'll get SSL errors. Disabling it brings you back to a clean local network. Settings. After open Settings, select Connections, then click More Connection Settings. Find and select a VPN, click here, and disconnect any active VPN profile. Some VPNs reroute your traffic through different countries, and if the app server doesn't trust that connection, you'll get SSL errors. Disabling it brings you back to a clean local network.
Clear the app's cache.
That's another method.
Still getting the error? Let's dive into the app itself. Sometimes older corrupted data saved in the app's cache can cause loading issues, including SSL certificate problems. Clearing the cache gives the app a fresh start without deleting your data. Settings. After opening Settings, find Apps, then click and go to Storage. Clear cache to solve the SSL certificate problem. Tap Clear cache, not clear data. We don't want to lose your app settings or history. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can try clear data as a last resort, but remember, this might log you out or reset some preferences. This is finally method. If nothing has worked so far, don't panic. The final and most powerful fix is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes any hidden issues with app files or settings that could be causing a SSL error and gives you a clean install. Tap and hold the app icon on your home screen, then select Uninstall. Open Play Store, search for the app again, and tap Install. Open the app and log back in. Make sure your internet connection is strong when reinstalling, and just like that, problem solved. If this video helped you fix the network configuration issue, wrong SSL certificate, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone